What if you can paint over something in Photoshop and make it disappear? In the latest release of Photoshop, there's a brand new tool called the Remove tool, which you can find in the toolbar in the same group with the Healing Brush tool. Let's activate it, and I want to remove these people here in the background, and BAM! They're gone. It's as easy as painting over the areas you want to remove. Kinda reminds me of the magic eraser tool in Google Photos on Pixel phones. And as Adobe says, I'm gonna try reading it in one breath. The Remove tool uses intelligent technology to remove unwanted objects when a user brushes over them and automatically fills in the background while preserving the integrity of the objects and depth in complex and varied backgrounds. And since I have this option, remove after each stroke, checked, it will work as soon as I release the mouse. Paint over the subject, release the mouse, and done. If you uncheck this box, then you can paint over several areas and nothing will happen until you click Apply. Now, if you check the Layers panel, you can see that everything is happening on the same layer, a destructive behavior that should be avoided at all costs. Let's undo what we did, create a new layer, activate it, select the Remove tool, and check Sample All Layers up here in the options bar. And now if you paint over certain areas, the Remove tool will create the new pixels on the new layer without touching the original layer. But this tool doesn't work really well if the object is touching or overlapping another object. Trying to remove this chair by painting over it is not a very good idea. Well, but as long as there's nothing touching the edges of the object, it should work just fine. No, stop.